Hi, so I'm Johanna. I'm PR and event specialist and I work for FieldBee. FieldBee is an agritech company from the Netherlands and with production site in Poland. And we're trying to make farmers' life easier with precision farming so they can reduce their costs and save time. We want to help farmers with precision farming with our GPS systems. We have an autosteer system which steers for you, so the system will do everything for you. You just need to download our app, which by the way is for free. And when you download the app, you can just connect it to our other products, to our receiver and to our steering wheel, and can get going right away. The installation is within 1 hour, so it's really easy to set up and can be done by the farmer himself. We wanted to exhibit it at cereals because we want to talk to the farmers, because the farmers are our main customers. We want to make them happy, so it's important for us to talk to them, to get to know their problems, what they're dealing with on a daily basis, to understand how we can make their life easier and how we can improve our work so they can improve theirs. So if you want to learn more about FieldBee and our product, our company, you can just visit us on our website, fieldbee.com, and you can find any information there.